I have Huawei Wi-Fi of 2019, and let me show you how to enable unknown sources on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find here and select settings. Then from the following list, let's choose here the security and privacy right here. Choose here more settings and select install apps from external sources. So if you would like to allow installation apps from other sources than Google Play Store, here you can allow, for example, Chrome to be that source. Let's just allow app installs right here. You can also allow here Gmail, phone clone, some files or other stuff. You can also use here more, and you can select show system preferences, and here you can also allow some other sources as well. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.